Okay, Mark, this is the video for you. I accidentally deleted the other two videos I had, so I have to do new ones. So what I've gone on here, on the power supply, it's the radio itself. Now the radio has a few marks on it along the top here, but nothing major. It's I don't know, whoever had it just didn't really look after it all that well. It's not mint, you know, it has got a few marks on it, so just to be aware of that. I'll show you the top there. But for the money, like, it's an ideal starter radio. So I have that going into a dummy load here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cycle through the bands on RTTY, which is full power output. It's full duty cycle, as you can see. Key the mic there. I just changed the meter now. How did I do that? Oh man, I'm just trying to remember. Set, yeah. So it's on power output there. LC SWR power. So you see along the bottom, radio is showing 100% output, and you can see there the top scale goes to 150 watts. Slightly over 100 on 160. We'll go to 80, change the mode. Onto RTTY as well. Again, full output. Same on the radio. 40 meters. RTTY. 100 on the radio. You can see there the radio is drawn almost 20 amps, which is correct. 30 meters, it's on RTTY. 100 14 megs RTTY. 100 Now, just while I'm in the middle of the radio, I'll go to upper sideband. Oh, sorry. It's very hard to get a constant tone when you're whistling like that. Well, I always find it very hard anyway. So that's upper sideband. Lower. Oh, it won't go to lower because it knows that it should be on upper sideband here. Right, so there's 17 meters, 100 watts. Again, drawn full load. 15 meters, 100 watts. 12 meters, 100 watts. 100 watts the radio. 10 meters. That's just the tuner changing in my dummy load. You can hear it growling away there. 100 watts output and 10. That's that. So let's see. We'll go back to the middle of the radio. We'll go to AM. They don't put out as much on AM. It's just the way they're done. Even the 7300 I have is the same. It doesn't put out as much on 10. So just that's all the bands. Just one moment. Now, you were asking about the tuner. While there is a button there, the radio doesn't have an onboard ATU. That's designed to go to this connector here. Where are you? This one here for an external tuner. So there's lots of them you can get very cheaply. Any of the LDG ones or MFJ ones will connect up to that, and all you have to do is hit that button there and the radio will tune. It won't do that now because there's nothing connected to it. It knows there's nothing there. So look, I'll try and get a video of this thing on the air in the next half an hour or so, and I'll upload that shortly after this one. 40 meters would be probably my best bet during the day. So again, the radio, that's the side, and the good thing about this, on the back, it has the 13 port DIN, which means you can connect an awful lot of stuff to this. External speaker, that's your Icom CIV remote control, so you can fully control this thing via Ham Radio Deluxe or any of those other proprietary software programs on your computer. That's for your CW key, that's the send jack for the amp, and that's the ALC jack for the amps. So other than that, there's the bottom. Nothing really much to see, and that's the microphone. A bit dirty, I'll clean that. And there's the manual and the box, and obviously the power lead comes with it there. So anyway, I'll get the other video done as soon as I can and send it on to you, okay? So there you are, 7 trees. Thanks for watching.